In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out YouTube account from other devices. So your YouTube account is your Google account. So just go ahead and tap on your profile and then click on manage your Google account. And then go ahead and click on security. So just scroll it down and then you will see your devices. It means these are the devices you use to log in your YouTube account or Google account. So just click on manage all devices. So for example, I want to remove my YouTube account on my computer. Just go ahead and click that one. And then you will see here the option sign out. So just go ahead and click that one and confirm signing out to that device. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.